Hi, Grade 6 pupils! Welcome to MathLike TV. Ngayon po ang video nito, aking tuturo sa inyo ratio and proportion. Tapusin nyo lamang ang video nito hanggang sa dulo upang kayo ay mayroong matutunan. Now, without further ado, ating nang simulan. So, una ang tuturo sa inyo ay itong ratio. So, ito yung sample. There are 18 boys and 23 girls in Miss Rosia's class. Compare the number of boys to the number of girls. Notice that the condition gives the order of boys to girls. Meaning, dito makikita natin meron po siyang comparison sa bilang ng boys at sa bilang ng girls na mga pupils. So, ang tawag dito sa pagkukumpara, that is called ratios. Meaning, ratio is the comparisons of two quantities in a given order reduced to its lowest term. Now, there are three ways to write the comparison. Una, yung word notation. Pangalawa, itong colon notation. Pangatlo, itong fractional notation. So, sa ating given na problem, ang given na order, ang sabi 18 boys and 23 girls. So ilagay natin sa three ways to write the comparisons. So word notation, that is 18 is to 23. Then ang colon notation naman, 18 may dalawang dot sa gitna and 23. So yan po ang tinatawag na colon notation, yung dalawang dot. Then yung fractional notation naman, 18 over 23. Ngayon, yan na po ang kanyang ratio. Sa fractional notation na ito, wala tayong exact number na pwedeng ma-divide sa numerator and denominator. So, ito na po ang kanyang pinaka-reduced lowest term. Next, another example. Write the ratio of the blue diamonds to the total of diamonds using three formats. Okay, gamit ang tatlong paraan ng pagkuha ng ratio. So, una itong word notation. So, ang kanyang diamond na color blue ay 3. So, ang total niya ay 9. So, that is 3:9. So, next, colon notation. So, may tatlong dot sa gitna. That is 3:9. Next, doon naman tayo sa fractional notation. 3 over 9. Now, to reduce lowest term, so yung 3 over 9, divisible siya by 3. So, divide both numerator denominator by 3. So 3 divided by 3, that is 1. Then 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So the final answer, or 1/3. Yan po ang fractional notation. Ang colon notation ay or 1:3. That is dalawang tuldok sa gitna. Then word notation, 1:3. Yan po mga ka-MathLike TV. Now, let's proceed the proportion. Para ating maintindihan itong proportion, narito ang given example problem. In a computer laboratory, the ratio of the number of computers to the number of students is 3:9 or 3 over 9. Now, what is another ratio equal to 3 over 9? So, yung 3 over 9, divisible siya by 3. So, the 3 divided by 3, then 9 divided by 3. So, divide lang siya sa numerator, maging sa denominator. So, equal 1/3 or 1 over 3. Ilagay natin siya sa colon notation. Or 3:9 equals 1:3. In a colon notation, so dito makikita natin the outermost number are called, itong mga nasa labas na number, tinatawag na extremes. And the innermost numbers are called means. Pag i-multiply mo itong extremes, 3 times 3, that is 9. Then equals yung 9 times 1, that is 9. So meaning, ratios of equal values are called proportions. So yan po ang ibig sabihin ng proportion. So in a proportion, the product of the means should be equal to the product of the extremes. Also, you can use cross multiplication method. Can be used to confirm if their cross products are equal. Now, Example, by using cross multiplication. So, ang ating given, 1 and 2. So, ang given number 1, 3 over 9 equals 9 over 27. So, gamit ang method na cross multiplication para ating ma-confirm kung ang kanyang both side ay equal sila. Okay, so 3 times 27 equals 81. Then bring down equals. Then 9 times 9 equals 81. So 81 equals 81. So ito po ay proportions. Next, number 2. 5 over 10 equals 1 half. Okay, again, by using cross multiplication. Okay, 5 times 2, that is 10. Then bring down equal sign. Then 10 times 1 equals 10. So look at 10 equals 10. So ito ay proportion. So ito po mga Kamatlaik TV ang pag-solve ng given na fractional notation na ratio by using the cross multiplication. So ito ang pag-solve sa proportions. Ngayon, kung mayroon kang natutunan, pakipindot naman ang like. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, pakipindot naman ang subscribe, maging ang bell notification upang ikaw ay laging naka-update sa mga bagong video na i-upload sa aking channel na ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.